What's up, Heavy D Nation? Heavy D coming back at you with another Burps and Slurps. So this was a special edition. You're getting footage of the St. Patrick's Day drunken massacre where we were out on Fremont Street. Kind of gave you a taste of what that was like and what it looks like. And now we're back to drink my favorite beer from my favorite brewery, the Apricot Blonde from Dry Dock Brewing in Aurora, Colorado. Very light with a fruity back end note, good with salmon and the technical difficulties. It's tough being a lonely dog, I'll tell you. So without further ado, we're going to slurp. Ooh, that's good. A little bit warm, left these out. Pour them in my Green Bay Packers glass. Thank God Clay Matthews is gone. Went to tour for a weekend with Magic Mitch. If you don't know who he is, check out his channel. We did a lot of food adventures. Those videos will be posting soon. And then B Rose was in town, and we got another challenge that I wasn't quite prepared for, but what are you gonna do? Look at this form. You can't coach this. See my blood from being from Wisconsin. See the Green Bay Packers glass? Can't coach this. All right. There's a little bit more. Oh no. Without further ado, this wasn't quite good enough. What do you think, Mom?
That was okay.
Pretty loud out here in the backyard. Got my mom on camera duty. Now for the Diet Mountain Dew, the real powerhouse. Oh, it's so cold, Mom. I'm finally ordering my hammer again. Like the real Thor, I didn't have it for a lot of my adventures because I couldn't summon the power, but I earned that back. So hammer that subscribe button if you want to join Heavy D Nation and support me in my quest. And until the next adventures, stay thirsty, my friends.